In this class, we will talk about while loop. For suppose a loop start from here, checking the condition. If condition is true, it go do a task and go over here. All right. So most time people always ask what is different between for loop and while loop. For loop, we know how much time loop will be executed. Okay. In the for loop, we according to the condition we easily understand that how much time this loop will be executed. And in a while loop we don't know how much time the body of a while loop will be executed. We don't have any idea how much time it will be executed. We can control it, we can use it, but it we don't know how much time it will be executed. For suppose we are coming here in a search result. I am typing something. Alright, here you see that I have searched a atom, okay, a keyword, and I got result 10 times. I got result. Okay, actually I typed this code, I don't know how much time and how much result I will find out of this keyword according to this keyword, and entire result comes with a while loop. Okay, and I search it again, and copy it, and I will tell you one thing more about for loop and what is for loop and what is while loop. We have 0.8 million result in 28 seconds. Okay, when I type this code, I don't know how much time while loop will be executed, and here you just find out the result of for one page on 1 to 10, and it will be increased. Okay, this navigation of the result pages comes in for loop, and this is comes in while loop. All right, now I'm going to create, and I'm going to add project folder here from Udemy of while loop in JavaScript. I'm coming here, open a while loop and select it. Okay, now in while loop I open it, and I also open a JavaScript file, close all files, and I just open JavaScript file here, and I want to give you the while loop idea. Okay, I say that a is equal 1, and here I call while and add condition less than 1 or less than 3. Start the body of while loop and print document dot write and call on new line. Okay, and terminate this condition. Here I just add increment operators. You know, it is in the body, and we don't know how much time it will be executed and how much result will be displayed. We just add a value, and here according to the condition it will be repeated. Okay, I saved it and coming here to check out its result. Here is the result, and let me explain it. I say that start from 1 and check the condition and repeated your task until unless um, my variable a is not less than, until unless this condition will be false. Okay, it will print again and again the value of variables on new line. Alright, I end this class. In next class we will talk about do while loop. Bye.